needed to have a pool, and of course a luxury home has to have a concrete pool. I'm Richard Branov. I'm a property developer on the Mornington Peninsula, and this is our latest development in Blairgowrie. The benefit of this area is that the blocks are really large, and this one in particular had a small slope at the front but had a vast, and the majority of the property was flat at the back, and we knew that we could build quite a substantial home. The architects came up with the idea of using the Plungie to celebrate that step down and create a hero piece in the backyard. We always knew that in building a luxury home, especially down on the coast, we needed to have a pool, and of course a luxury home has to have a concrete pool. In the backyard now we have something that's a bit unique in that it's a concrete pool, but it also sits partially above ground. It not only created a nice feature for the backyard, but it was a very practical solution as well. Here we have our large open plan living area, dining, living, fireplace, and of course we come out through these huge stacker doors to our Plungie, which is most definitely the hero of the backyard.